Hello guys, welcome to the 13th session of using Microsoft Boot Framework, LUIS and Cognitive Services tutorials for beginners. In this session we will learn how to use audio, video and animation cards. Those cards contain some same property as Hero card and also contain some additional properties like auto start, auto loop, shareable, aspect. It does not contain a property named images because it contains only single image, so we need to use image only. It also contains property named media, which contains a list of media URL. The audio card is used to send audio to boot, video card is used to send video, and animation card is used to send GIFs. Now let us start with audio card. For this, I will continue with the same example that I had created in the previous session and also comment those two extra lines. For this example, I have already created a dictionary which contains URLs to media files. And based on the value in parameter, I obtain this URL and place it in media URL. Create audio card, change property images to image, and set new thumbnail URL. Within that set URL property, image URL. And remove one button from here. And change the title to view media file. And change value to media URL. So it will open a media file. And now we need to add media for that card, which will contain a list of media URL. Create new media URL and pass media URL for a card that we obtained from the dictionary. Let us save it and run the project. Let us write audio. Here we got audio player inside our chatbot. From here we can play audio as well as download it. Like Hero card, it contains all other details too. Here we need to manually click on play button and not to play continuously. For that, set autoplay and auto load true. Let us run it and check. Let me stop. The sound of this wave file is really irritating. Now I am going to make video card. It has same properties as audio card. So just we need to change the class name here. And let us see it in boot. Let us send video. Here is the video card which contains video player. It was started automatically as we have not removed auto load property. We can also switch to full screen or download the video. We can also send GIF files. It also has same properties as video or audio card. For this, now we just need to change the class name of animation card. Let us check it and send the animation. Here is GIF that we have sent. Let us see what we have learned in this session. By using audio, video, animation card, we can send even more rich contents. Media property contains a list of media URL that will be displayed in boot. Here is a simple example of audio card. Other two cards have same properties. We just need to change the class name only. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt, please feel free to contact me. Have a nice day.